I saw all the prettiest Christmas mugs, and of course, I had to get them. Did I need them? No. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's PINKMAS video. I'm so excited. This is my favorite season of all times, and it's that time of the year again to start decorating for Christmas. I call it PINKMAS because all my Christmas decor is pink. And even though I already decorated my Christmas tree downstairs in my living room, I still have to decorate my pink Christmas tree for my bedroom. So I'm so excited, and I actually went shopping and I found so much cute PINKMAS decor. I had to pick up a few new items. I always keep all my Christmas decor in bins, and I have quite the collection from the past 5 years. But every time you go, every season, there's something new. And of course, I had to get some of the newer items. Mostly I did shop at TJMaxx and Marshalls. So if you want to see more, just keep on watching. So I'll start off with Marshalls. I found the cutest pink Christmas tree, and I really wish they had two because otherwise I would have gotten them both, but they only had one. But check it out how gorgeous it is. It has gold on the bottom, on the top, and then it has like little ruffles, like actual ruffles. This is from the brand Cupcakes and Cashmere. You can never go wrong with that brand. It is the cutest. They have the most adorable decor, but I am so happy with this tree. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I thought it was absolutely adorable. Next, I have another nutcracker. I have so many, but they're all different and they're all beautiful. And every time I see a nutcracker, I have to get it. This one here is absolutely adorable. It's also from the same brand, Cupcakes and Cashmere. Believe it or not, this was only $12.99 and it is beautiful. It's like that perfect shade of light pink and it is absolutely beautiful. I have one more nutcracker. Again, they only had one, but look how beautiful this nutcracker is. I must say this one is probably my favorite out of all my nutcrackers. It is so pretty. They also had it in lilac, but this was the only pink one. Again, it's that beautiful shade of pink with gold, and this was also, actually this one was $14.99. I also picked up a salt and pepper shaker. I already took these out. I could not wait. The moment I saw these, I fell in love with them. Look how cute these are. I could not believe my eyes. These were only $4.99 and they're going to go perfect with all my decor because mainly my decor is like gingerbread and nutcracker theme. I'm so excited with these two. You can honestly find so many cute decor at Marshalls and TJMaxx. Those are like my favorite places to shop for the holidays. Also from Marshalls, I picked up this gorgeous clear acrylic reindeer. It actually did not have a price and I had to wait so long for them to find an actual price for it. I think I ended up paying about $14, but the reason why I picked it up is because it has the most adorable little scarf. It's like a fuzzy scarf. Every holiday season, I like to pick up a new candle, and this one caught my eye. One, because it's pink, but it also has a cute little gold bow and it goes perfect with my decor. It is so pretty, so cute, and it says Christmas on it, and I just love all the details around the candle. And even when you're done with the candle, you can even use this as like a little trinket box. Since I'm planning on decorating my bedroom for Christmas, I decided to get a new blanket. And the reason why I picked this up is because it has all these cute pink bows, but it also has little Christmas trees, and it is so soft and so pretty. But I really like the light pink in it and all the bows and all the cute Christmas details. I forgot to mention that the blanket was from TJMaxx. I also picked up a bunch of mugs. Did I need them? No, I already have so many mugs in my collection. But honestly, when I walked through that aisle, I saw all the prettiest Christmas mugs. And of course, I had to get them. It's one of those things that if you don't get them, they won't be there the next time. And I myself, I am crazy for mugs. I absolutely adore them. And I love drinking coffee, love drinking tea, and it just makes me happy to drink them in a pretty mug. So all this bag is all mugs. So let me show you the first one, and they're all wrapped up. Like I said, I literally just got back. This one is so cute. It is a Santa Claus, and he is actually holding a little martini. Look how cute it is, and it's light pink. Next up, we have Mr. Gingerbread Man. I am obsessed with this mug. It is so, so pretty, and it actually has light pink on the buttons and around the mug. It is just so adorable. This one I actually spotted at the checkout line, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is a little Christmas tree. The entire mug is light pink with a bow, so coquette. Isn't it just so darling and so beautiful? By the way, all these mugs were $6.99. I have 2 more mugs. I almost left this one, but then I went back for it because it is such a unique mug and it goes perfect with all my decor, like the nutcracker theme, gingerbread theme. And this kind of gives me a vibe of both of them. And check it out. It is so pretty. I am so glad I went back and got it. I actually left it and then I ended up going back. So I think I'm going to need a new shelf in my kitchen to put all my beautiful mugs. I don't think I have room for all of them. And then we have one last one. Can't remember which one this is. Oh, yes, I do remember now. It is Miss Gingerbread Man. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Okay, this one is absolutely adorable. Miss Gingerbread Woman, I said it wrong, but look how pretty. Now I have the little set, so if me and my husband want to sip coffee together or tea, we each have our own mug. I also picked up something for my bathroom. I got a new shower curtain, a nutcracker theme, all pink, so girly, so pink, love it. I already put it up, but I will attach a little clip up here so you can see how adorable it is. I almost forgot to show you these. I also picked these up from TJMaxx and look how adorable they are. They're from the brand Cupcakes and Cashmeres, and they are a set of 6 ornament bows. They are absolutely gorgeous. They are velour and they're just going to look so pretty in my little pink Christmas tree. But that was everything that I got for PINKMAS, all my decor, all my beautiful mugs. I am so happy with everything I found. If you want to see how I decorate my pink Christmas tree for my bedroom, stay tuned. I will probably be uploading that this upcoming weekend. And I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week. Happy Thanksgiving. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.